Hello, good morning. My name is Nzioka, for those who don't know me, and I'm in the village. And today is on 26 in the morning. My family is just outside right there, and I want to go and surprise them. I have some gifts with me for everybody, for my mom, my two sisters and brother. Just some small gifts, and I want to surprise them. You see, I have ties. I don't want them to hear me. I have some ties. I want them to close their eyes, and then I'll come and pick the gifts. I'll leave them here, and then they'll close their eyes. I'll bring the gifts, and then I'll surprise them. You know, they haven't seen me. My mom haven't seen me ever since I came yesterday. She came at night. We never met for like 8 months. So guys, let's go and do this. So we're gonna leave them here. Village life, guys. Good morning and welcome to the village. Let's go and surprise them. Today is on 26, the Boxing Day. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. I'm so nervous. Guys, am I doing it the right way? It's just a small gifts, like you see it. I don't know, guys. Okay. Everybody. Do you want a gift? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes with the tie. Good. Please. Gift? Gift, yeah. You want a gift? Ndovede. Over. Soja. Nila yana ni? Close your eyes. Mom, close your eyes. No, with the tie. Dio mudwa abandu nye. Nyao. Grill dio mandombola. Good. You want a gift? Wait. No cheating. So now I tricked them to close their eyes, and now I give them the gift. Okay. Kila mtu hata uchukua. Gara. Goda uimone. You're cheating. What are you? Guess your gift. Could I guess your gift?
Ah, wawe musivi kunijao. Na mobudo.
Huh?
Mobudo.
Hey.
Ai.
No. Kama ito?
Yato. Yato.
Let's see.
Na watu na mobudo. Kanazo. Ina gengene. Sibiwe. Allah kwasi. Sebile mbele amazana. No utambo secha.
Madalo utambo kiti, mwenda utambo
Na moyo nenge skirt tu.
Keke aji kengeton. Kaji nambe. Ai, na venye uko smart.
Bado ni dogo.
Hey. Lakini mkuna miguu kubwa kubwa. Bupima na wewe tuone.
Anaguniwe munini kwanza.
Kana weke nese.
Nono ne gani?
Lekia.
Eke hata dime.
Lekia. Mama
Ranglin. Na munenge ne bezo ini muya ba. Five.
Ya kutan. Ini konen. Wow. It is midro. Language to was midro. Wow.
Ile kaya inafikiria vile. Inafikinda.
Nani sister yako?
Yani kuma faa.
My mom looking beautiful. Wow. So this all was made possible by my fans. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. That was my family. I know they talked different language. It's my Kamba language. They cannot talk English because my mom doesn't believe that I still do content creation. But once you guys make this video go viral, then I'll make sure that I give her a bigger gift. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.